In this video, we are going to talk about the top things to know before you purchase NFTs. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Check out these suggestions if you're contemplating an NFT investment. It may save you time, energy, and money. Over the course of 2020 and 2021, NFTs have become very desirable commodities, with little sign of slowing down. They may sell for tens of millions of dollars though. As such, if you're considering investing in an NFT, some aspects must be considered. So, what should you look out for before buying something? Number 10. What is an NFT? To grasp the letter's meaning, you must also know what they stand for. A fungible object is one that can be duplicated. Because NFTs are non-fungible, they are all distinct. However, cryptocurrencies are fungible. For example, bitcoins are the same. You've undoubtedly seen several NFTs with photos of primates. But NFTs aren't images, music, or video game features. Numerical identifiers, NFTs, are coupled with digital products, certificates. So, purchasing an NFT is like buying blockchain data. I, for one, own an NFT. This photo is on both my phone and PC, so it's fungible. The certificate of authenticity has just one copy, the non-fungible section, and it's in my crypto wallet. Number 9. What is mint? Due to their blockchain connections, NFT ownership can be verified. The two most popular NFT blockchains are Ethereum and Solana. Creating digital products isn't what blockchains do, creators utilize them. Items are made elsewhere and then uploaded. Mint comes in handy here. You'll hear this word used in several contexts around the NFT water cooler. On the other hand, authors may mint NFTs by uploading to the blockchain. The first buyer of an NFT minted one. Most often, developers construct collections of NFTs. The CryptoPunk collection, for example, has 10,000 NFTs. Minting is frequently a highly publicized occasion for inventors. NFTs are made available for sale on a marketplace launchpad at a certain time and cost. The mint is another name for this event. Number 8. Why do NFTs flip? Suppose you wish to acquire an NFT from a 10,000-piece collection. The date, time, and cost are all announced. You'll prepare your crypto wallet beforehand. Until then, you'll have to wait for the right moment to purchase, hoping it doesn't sell out. Some NFT collections sell out instantly. But here's the deal, you have no idea which NFT you're purchasing from the collection. It's random. They are accessible on secondary markets like OpenSea and Magic Eden after their initial introduction. Owners of NFTs may list them on one of these secondary markets at their own pricing. Many folks sell their NFTs immediately. Flipping is the term for this. This might be a rapid profit approach. So many individuals will pay more than the mint price if the collection sells out in seconds. Don't forget that blockchains include transaction fees, if you're interested in flipping, called gas fees. These may rapidly chip away at earnings. Don't forget this. Number 7. The NFT's floor pricing is vital. The floor price of a collection is the lowest priced NFT in the collection. At the time of writing, the cheapest CryptoPunk is available for about 67 Ether, a little over $200,000. They're looking to make a fast buck by purchasing NFTs from new collections and selling them after they've gained popularity, in my view. Observe the floor pricing to measure popularity. A rising floor price indicates more demand. A gradually falling floor price, on the other hand, may cause a stampede of sellers, each selling for somewhat less than the previous seller. Number 6. Prevent rug pulls. Not every NFT buyer is in it for the fast cash. There's a plan behind many NFT collections. The developer wants to utilize the revenues to produce more stuff. More NFT collections, video games, or metaverse initiatives might be added. Some folks want to keep their NFTs to help with the endeavor already underway. The NFT space unfortunately has some bad actors. NFT project Balloonsville acknowledged to a rug pull on social media on February 6. You'll actually believe everything today, the account stated before disappearing. Balloonsville earned $2 million by minting 5,000 NFTs, report said. The blueprint attracted many consumers. A rug pull, on the other hand, indicates the project's creators grabbed the money and went, without doing what they promised. A lot of NFT authors stay nameless, therefore this occurs often. Marketplaces and launchpads are working to improve verification. In Balloonsville, Magic Eden is striving to help NFT holders. As a result of the rug pull problem, this video's main point is in the NFT world, everything goes. You should only invest a tiny quantity of money in your first NFT, as I recently did. Buying NFTs is not a fast way to get wealthy. We've seen that things may go wrong in various ways. Number 5. The price performance of the seller's other NFTs. It's always a good idea to examine the seller's account if you want to be sure your selected NFT is a smart investment. You may check through their prior sales here to see how much their items have sold for. After that, you may scroll down the table to see how much the identical NFTs sold for a few weeks or months ago. The floor price is the lowest price at which NFTs are traded at the bottom end of the value range. This will give you a decent understanding of how NFT prices fluctuate and if they correspond to what you want to see in your selected NFT in the future. Other platforms provide similar information, as well as other statistics that you may not be able to get on the market. Sites like NFT Stats and CoinMarketCap provide some fascinating statistics about NFT sales, value, growth, and more, so make sure to check them out if you want to learn more. Number 4. NFT liquidity and market volume. It's vital to remember that NFTs don't have the same liquidity as cryptocurrency. Because you can't convert an NFT into regular cash as readily as you can with cryptocurrencies, this might be a difficulty for anyone looking to benefit from them. To boost your NFT's liquidity rates, several experts recommend fractionalizing them, which is breaking your NFT into smaller pieces. In addition to liquidity, the NFT industry's market volume should be considered. NFT market volume is about $10 billion at the time of writing, and its increase or fall is highly reliant on the sort of NFTs acquired on a daily basis. As you may be aware, the NFT market is still in its infancy. We didn't hear much about NFTs a few years ago, and we didn't see these digital artworks sell for millions of dollars. And, like many other organizations or sectors that seem to sprout out of nowhere, the peak might be fleeting. If you want to acquire an NFT as a long-term investment rather than something to hold as an art piece or sell in a few months, you should keep this in mind. Number 3. The market platform's transaction fees. A transaction fee is usually levied when you swap crypto, purchase an NFT, or do anything similar on a market platform. Traditional e-commerce platforms like eBay and Depop have similar fees, although they vary based on the platform. OpenSea, for example, charges buyers a 2.5% transaction fee, with 2.5% of the selling value going to OpenSea. Buyers, on the other hand, are not required to pay a transaction fee. The bulk of NFT markets, including Known Origin and Axie, are in this situation. However, other platforms, like Rabel, add a 2.5% fee on top of the NFT pricing each transaction to the buyer. So, before making any purchases, make sure you're aware of any current costs on your chosen platform. Number 2. Seller verification. Official vendors on platforms like OpenSea will have a blue verification tick next to their account name, similar to Twitter or Instagram, to show that they can be trusted and are not imposter accounts. If you want to purchase from a well-known vendor, such as World of Women or Cool Cats NFT, make sure the account is verified. However, this verification tick cannot always be utilized to verify the seller's validity. Many reputable NFT vendors do not yet have their verification tick on some sites, much as certain social media celebrities do not yet have their verification click. If you intend to purchase from an unverified account, verify the NFT characteristics as a precaution. Number 1. The unique properties of the NFT. Collections are a common kind of NFT. Take a look at Mechaverse, Bored Ape Yacht Club, or Peaceful Groupies, for example. Individual avatar NFT artworks, each with its own set of attributes, make up these NFT collections. More attributes may occasionally lead to a better value, but that isn't always the case. Simpler avatars, such as the basic Bored Ape NFT, are perhaps the most useful. Check the rarity of the traits your selected NFT possesses if you want to boost your chances of purchasing an NFT with a promising value trajectory. You'll want an NFT with the lowest proportion of commonality in the collection. These percentages may be found in the Properties part of the NFTs page, as seen above. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.